Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to convert XLS files into CSV format. As you can see, this is an Excel file containing some headers. It contains some non-scientific features such as ID, transformer, manufacturer, type of transformer, and some scientific features such as gas concentration and oil properties. For example, the first header ID can be anything. ABC, 1, 2, 3, or alphanumerical. It is not the serial ID of transformer. Next header is the asset type. It can be anything like power, reactor, or even simply substation transformer. Next is the manufacturing year of the transformer. Similarly, we have the manufacturer, power, voltage class, and so on. It is not mandatory to fill this, however, you can keep it just to have a better transparency of your ultimate goals. You can also mention the geographical location of your asset. Next, we have some mandatory features such as gas in oil concentration in ppm. Say, we have some numerical data for these features. Finally, we have some oil and paper properties, such as water content and acidity, etc. So, let's try filling it up. The last requirement is the service age of transformer. This way we can create multiple rows of data in a single file. Now, the next step is how to convert this Excel file into CSV format. Open the File menu and click on Save as Other Format. Choose your pathway and select CSV, Delimited from the drop-down menu and save it. For the first pop-up, say yes, and for the second, say no. And simply close this file. To check whether your file is all correct or not, open Notepad and go to File menu and select Open. Select the CSV file we just created and open it. As you can see, the file is perfectly usable. That is how you can create your files too. Thank you.